In this tutorial, I will show you horizontal and vertical type marks tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already downloaded and opened an image from Pixabay. You can access this vertical type marks tool and horizontal type marks tool from here. Its keyboard shortcut is T. So I am selecting vertical type marks tool. You can see vertical type marks tool. Create a selection. Actually, it is a selection in the shape of vertical type. It is a selection type. So it has both point type option and both paragraph text or area type option. So if you click here, it will be automatically create an point type options. I am undoing it. You can see point type option. Also, if I selecting again and draw an area, you can see it is also, I am making it larger and typing something. I am graphics. I am typing here graphics. So after typing it, you can adjust font size, font name, font bold, italic, anything you can adjust. Also use this character panel to adjust anything with it. After adjusting all, you can, this is vertical type marks tool. Also here is horizontal type marks tool. Both have same identical appearance. So I am now accepting it, and you can see this is appeared as mask here. So what is the benefit? Now what I will do, I can make it copy and paste in separate layer. I can create and marks with it. You can see only this layer. You can see it will create new layer with the image. So I am undoing it. So what I will do, I am pressing Ctrl+J from the keyboard, so that it will create a separate layer. After that, I can adjust it with blending options. In the blending options, I will selecting an overlay options. Overlay options, you can see opacity, I am making it little larger, and then I am selecting stroke. So you can see now the beautiful text with the image, collecting image pixels. You can see the beautiful text has been appeared on the image. You can work both in same manner in both vertical type marks tool and horizontal type marks tool. So I hope you get this from this tutorial. If so, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.